In the previous lesson, we talked about stories and reels, how they should be used in your social media activity. In this lesson, I will share some of the best practices for image and video content creation. Let's start off with videos. For every video that you create, you need to capture your audience attention within the first 3 seconds. Captivate them to ensure that they stay on and watch throughout your entire video duration. Next, ensure that you use the right size and dimensions for your videos. On YouTube, for a HD video, it should be at least 1200 by 720 pixels. For Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn posts, a square-shaped video of 1080 by 1080 pixels work. As for stories, reels, and TikTok, it should be 1080 by 1920 pixels. Now, throughout your videos, you should include subtitles and text overlays. Not everyone will pay attention fully to the video without some visual aids regarding what the person is saying. Along the same line, you can sustain a longer watch time by including pattern interrupts such as sudden changes in scenery or zooming in and out of your scene. Additionally, follow the rule of show, don't tell. While it is perfectly acceptable to speak in your videos, you should also accompany this with visuals that make your video more engaging. Another best practice would be to write a proper script for your video so that it flows naturally and smoothly and it isn't tilted or disconnected. I'll go more into detail for video copywriting formula in the next video. Now, let's move on to images. Across all your platforms, you should ensure that your colors are bright and enticing. Additionally, contrast your images so stuff like text or elements in the foreground are easier to see. This helps you stand out on your audience's newsfeed. Platforms like Instagram have a wide array of different filters and effects that you can use to make your images more interesting to your followers. Do also consider using symbols and icons to emphasize certain elements in your pictures. Don't forget, include call to action text on your images so that users know exactly what to do immediately after viewing your post. You can include text like sign up now, for example. Lastly, if you're able to, animate your images. A GIF can receive higher engagement than just a still image. If it is only just a character moving about, jumping, or text flying in, animations go a long way. In the next lesson, we'll look at some of the best practices and frameworks you can use for copywriting and content creation on social media.